Hi guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today I'm going to show you my typical weekday breakfast, my beautiful ham and cheese omelette. Simple but packed with flavour. Let's do this. Right, we've got a medium heat on this pan. I'm going to coat it with a touch of olive oil. Circle the pan, make sure it's all nicely coated. And I'm just going to slice up some strips of ham. And this is going to go straight onto our pan. And we kind of want that to crisp up. We're going to leave this on the heat for about 5 minutes. We're going to let that ham crisp up and get almost bacony. Get nice and salty, reduce that water content out and get nice and intense. Let it get nice and crispy. Right, while our ham is doing its thing, let's get our eggs ready. So I typically go for a 2-egg omelette every morning. And this kind of sets me up for the day. I don't put any milk, no cream. I'm not going to season this at the moment either. Just 2 eggs whipped up, that's it. There you go. Let's check up on our ham. You want to get it nice and crispy, guys, nice and crispy. Look at that little bit of colour that we've got there. That's exactly what you want. You want this ham to be almost bacony. Nice and salty. Great way to start the day. Right, our ham is looking beautiful. We're going to go straight in with our egg, but before we do that, I'm just going to push this ham in slightly from the edges. And this ham's really starting to pop now, which is exactly what you want. So let's go in with our egg. And just circle it around a bit, and I'm just going to lift the pan up a bit so it just reduces in temperature just slightly. And then we're going to give this a quick season, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of pepper. Just a touch of salt because it's got salty ham in this, I don't want too much. And then we're going to go in with some cheese. Be generous. Wonderful. And when you've got your cheese in there and you're happy with that, then we're not going to fold this right now. We're not going to flip it. We're not going to do that. We're just going to pop this in the grill, okay, for about a minute. Right, let's go. Right, in the grill for 60 seconds. Let that cheese toast up and melt nicely. Right, that's been 60 seconds. Let's get it out. Right, guys, there you have it. 60 seconds under the grill. Total cooking time from start to finish is what, 3 or 4 minutes, and we're ready to eat. Let's plate up. Right, so guys, you've got a few options here. I could just slide this out and plate it up on the plate as it is, but what I like to do is I like to fold it, right? And that kind of just showcases all of the beautiful ham underneath. Beautiful, like so. And then I just plate it in the center of the plate like so. We garnish with a touch more Parmesan cheese, a hit of pepper, and just some basil leaves just for garnish. Right guys, there you have it. This is my daily ham and cheese omelette with extra crispy ham. Beautiful. Right guys, I'm going to do the taste test. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, do all that stuff. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking and get stuck in because it's time for breakfast. Right, let's get straight in. So good. The cheese is gooey, oozing out. The ham, quite concentrated, it's quite salty, it's almost bacony. Really good. I've got the egg. So simple, so good. Okay, start your morning with a great breakfast and you'll have a great day. That's the Sunny guarantee. This is super simple, and the key is to make that ham extra crispy. Guys, make this dish how I've showed you, follow it step by step. This isn't just delicious, this is Sunny's effing delicious.